what's happening, everybody? It's your boy Onyx here at Going Full Nerd. Hey, during one of my recent YouTube live streams, I was asked a question. Between your podcast, your YouTube channel, and your Facebook videos, which do you think has the best monetization option for new or small content creators? Well, the first thing I have to put out there is if you notice, there are no ads running on my YouTube or Facebook streams, and there's a small pre-rolled ad on my audio podcast. Now, here are the reasons. All of the platforms will require you to have a certain audience or episode or view threshold before they will even consider monetization for your channel. The larger your audience and the more your audience interacts with you, the better your chances of obtaining monetization will be. Now, YouTube is having major problems across the board with how strict they are regarding content, and part of that problem, I feel, falls upon the trend of their most popular YouTube stars, sort of like Jake Paul and those other, challenge people and things like that, being very negligent in what they post. And what happens is copycats looking for a quick path to internet stardom is following in line behind them, creating all sorts of problems. In addition, you have so many overseas channel farms who have basically been hurt over the past year because they can't create that trash content and get paid anymore. You can see it, tons of Minecraft channels, tons of all these foreign language channels that come out of nowhere, that subscribe, unsubscribe, things like that. And they can't get their watch time and their views because they're artificially generated. Now, Facebook, they're a little different. They're not rolling out their monetization without stipulations. Ooh, had to get that out either. The number of videos, how many fans you have, or number of likes you have as a owner of a personality page or a business page on Facebook also factors in to what they call getting 30-second video views. Please don't ask me to explain it. I'm still trying to figure it out myself since, hey, monetization, we all want it eventually. Now, podcasts, they're different, okay? The audio-only broadcasts have been around for a long time. You could pretty much find them everywhere. Think of it as public access television or public access radio for the internet age, much like YouTube, if you think about it. Now, I go through Anchor.fm, and they distribute my podcast to other podcast providers like iTunes and their new parent company, Spotify. It's not automatic, though, how many episodes you have, what country you're based in, as well as how many downloads or listens you have of your content, all factor in when it comes to deciding, A, if you get a sponsor, and B, even if your podcast is distributed in regards to those other networks like iTunes, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and the such. So, what is the best monetization option? Ultimately, my advice is create content to satisfy yourself. Monetization should not be a motivation. It was for me at first, and I realized it really didn't matter because I was spending way more money than I was bringing in. Still I'm doing that. All right? So once you decide that you're doing it for fun, you will create better content and you will probably get more out of what you want to say to the masses. Okay? That's pretty much my basic thing. Whew. So remember, I'm a plug myself. I need you to like, share, and subscribe, and join me in on the live stream every Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern on YouTube and Facebook. This is your boy Onyx at Going Full Nerd. Peace, and I'm out of here.